Hi everybody, welcome back, Debbie Door Designers. We're so thrilled to have you in a brand new year, and I predict that this year 2019 is going to be phenomenal for everybody. So thank you for joining us. Today we're going to feature my new 3 leather necklaces in 3 different lengths, and this is Ginger. I'm Debbie, of course. What Ginger has on right now is the choker version with the black leather and 4 African brass beads. I just love the simplicity, just crazy simplicity. And at this point, if you want to add a talisman, it looks really cool this way as well, but it's also a statement on its own, so don't be afraid to just wear it alone or start layering with your other Debbie Door pieces. And also I should tell you that I am now designing one-of-a-kind talismans that you can wear and change your look. You can wear them on your Debbie Door pieces or on the leather pieces, and it changes the look altogether. So now we're putting on the necklace version. Has the one African cone, brass cone, that you can also add a talisman to. Again, with all these one-of-a-kind talismans, the sky's the limit. So you can add a druzy, or a geode, or a bone, or do all sorts of different looks, and some of you already have talismans. So now we're going to put the longer version on. Has 12 rings. Simplicity at its finest, but just fun. So here we go. We can wear this with the first piece or wear it alone. Once again, it's a statement. And then if you want to, add a talisman, just for another look, make it your own. I love the simplicity. It goes with all of your other pieces, but the 3 leather pieces just are fun going forward for 2019. So we are so glad you joined us, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.